Okay, class 8. Good morning, everyone. I am your maths teacher. Last day I already sent your math syllabus. Okay, so this is your math book, class 8, number line. Clear? So today we start our first chapter, chapter exponent. Okay, in first term syllabus, chapter exponent, chapter 3. So before we start the chapter, first of all we learn all the basics formula, how to solve the sums of the exponent. Okay, so first formulas, this is your base, this is exponent or you say power. Okay, again I repeat, suppose this is given, this is called base and this is called exponent or power. Okay, when same base are given there and different exponent or power and the sign is multiply here, so at that time you add the power. Okay, so this is AMN. For example, suppose 3 to the power 5 and 3 to the power 6, both base are same and different exponent or same exponent, whatever, you add this one. Okay, so your formula getting 3 to the power 11. Clear? Number 2, a to the power m, a to the power n, same base, different exponent or same exponent, but the sign is here division, so minus. Okay, when into power add, when divide power subtract. For example, suppose 3 to the power 6 divided by 3 to the power 5, it's 3, 6 minus 5, that is 3 to the power 1. Okay, your third formula is any base having 0 power, at that time answer automatically convert into 1. For example, 5 to the power 0 is 1, 3 to the power is 0, 1. Clear? Okay. Next formula, formula number 4. That means this power getting multiplied with each other. Okay. For example, 3 to the power 2, here is 3, that is 3, 2 into 3, 3 to the power 6. Clear? Formula number 5, a by b and its power is m, that means a is power m is for both 1. Okay. Formula number 6, whenever you see that your power have minus sign, so when you reciprocal that, its sign automatically converted into plus 1. Okay, see the another one, suppose this have the minus sign, so when you reciprocate, it automatically converted into plus. Okay, the next one is formula number 8, root over, suppose here is power m, here is n, whenever this one is open, power getting a m by n. For example, suppose 3 to the power 3, here is nothing given, that is a square root, so when you open it, power is 3 by 2. Okay, the next one, 9 number. Suppose anything is given. Okay, a to the power m equals to k. When power transfer from here to here, that is k 1 by m. This is very important one, note it down. Okay, a to the power m equals to k. When the power transfer from this side to this side is getting in reciprocate form 1 upon m. Okay, so write down all the basic formulas. Okay, so our first question from exercise 3.1, exercise 3.1, question number 1, subpart A. 4 to the power 7, sorry, 4 upon 7 to the power whole square into, again same, 4 upon 7 to the power whole square. See, you see the same base here. Okay, we know that very well, in the same base here with the different power or the same power and having the multiplication sign. So at that time what? We add the powers. So the answer is 4 upon 7, 2 plus 2. So it's 4 upon 7 to the power 4. Clear? We see the another one. Okay, this was an interesting. 3 to the power 2, 3, 2 to the power 2, sorry, 2 upon 3 to the power square. You see, not both base are same. Okay, na? So that means what? 3 upon 2 to the power 3 into, when we reciprocate, we know that sign getting changed. In formula we see that a to the power m, when it reciprocate, power getting plus, but when it's power getting plus, you reciprocate, power getting minus. Clear na? So this, when 3 reciprocate, that means 3 upon 2, this power getting minus. Clear? Okay, you see at that time these two bases are same. So when two bases are same, power always add, but there is given minus 2. So the answer is 3 upon 2, 3 plus minus minus 2. So 3 upon 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. Remind this one, when you reciprocate, the power getting changed. Here is minus, it's getting plus, where it's getting plus, it's getting minus. Okay, note it down. One subpart E, 2 upon 3 square divided 4 upon 5, 3, 3 upon 5 square. Okay, all bases are different from each one. Okay, see, so 2, this is for both one, 2 square, 3 square, divide sign, this power is for both one, 4 cube, 5 cube, 3 square, 5 square. First of all, we open all the brackets. Okay. 2 square, 3 square. We know that when the divide sign getting multiplied, this term getting reciprocate. Clear? So it's 5 cube, 4 cube into 3 square, 5 square. Clear? So you see, we change first of all 2 square, 3 square, 5 cube. In place of 4, we write down 2 square, and here is power 3. This one is 3 square, 5 square. Okay. So 2 square, 3 square, 5 cube, 2 power 2, 3. That means 2 into 3, 2 to the power 6. 3 square, 5 square. Done? Okay. So you see, 2 power square, 3 square, 5 cube, 2 power 6, 3 square, 5 square. Okay. We know that during division, power getting subtract, 3 square and 3 square is getting cancelled over, because 0, 3 to the power 2, again 3 to the power 2, getting 3 to the power 0, it's 1. Okay, over. Here is 5 to the power 3, and this is division 5 to the power 2, that means in power minus, and here is 2 to the power 6 and 2 to the power 2, both are in divide, so power is getting minus. So 5 to the power 1, 2 to the power 4. So the answer is 5, and 2 to the power 4 means what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, it is 5 by 16. Okay, note it down. Okay, continue from 1 subpart F. Minus 3 to the power 4, power having minus 3, and again power having minus 2 into 3 to the power 4, power having 2, and here is power having minus 4. But you see the bases are same, so it's minus 3 to the power 2, minus 3 minus 2 multiply minus minus plus 3 2 is 6 into 3 to the power 4, 2 into minus 4, it's minus 8, taking the minus sign as common or outside, so it is 3 upon 4 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 4 upon minus 8. Clear? Both bases are same, so 3 upon 4, this is your minus sign here, 6, we know that when the sign is multiply here the power is add, plus minus 8. So the answer is minus 3 upon 4, 6 plus minus minus 8, so it's minus 3 upon 4 power minus 2. Clear? Power is minus 2. We know that when the power is in the minus form we reciprocate, so it's getting 4 upon 3, 3 to the power minus 2, because this one for this one also and for 4 also, when this transfer denominator transfer to numerator is power getting plus, and when this numerator transfer to denominator it's getting power plus. Clear? Having minus sign. So 4 square is 16 and 3 square is 9. Okay, note. Okay, it's time for question number 2. Simplify the following and express the result in the form of the positive exponent. That means whenever the answer comes, you write in the positive exponent. Okay, so 2a 3 upon 7 power is minus 2 and 3 upon 7 power is minus 3. So both bases are same here, so we write down 3 upon 7 minus 2 plus minus 3. Clear? So 3 upon 7 minus 2 plus minus minus 3. So the for 3 upon 7 it's minus 5. But in question it's clearly mentioned that express the result in the form of the positive exponent. So this is not your positive exponent, this is your negative exponent. So how we write the positive exponent? We know that very well, when the negative exponent given we reciprocate. Okay, so it's getting 7 upon 3 and the power getting positive exponent. Clear? We do the another one. Question number G. 1 upon 2 square into 1 upon 2 3 to the power again minus 4 and divide by 1 upon 2 2 power minus 5. So here is 1 upon 2 square into 1 upon 2 3 into minus 4, it's minus 12 divided 1 upon 2 2 into minus 5, it's minus 10. Okay, so these two are in multiplication, so power is getting add, but this one is division, so power getting subtract. So 1 upon 2 2 plus minus 12, but this one is divide, so minus minus 10. This plus for the multiplication and this minus for the division. Clear? So the answer is 1 upon 2 2 plus minus minus 12 minus minus plus 10. Okay, so 1 upon 2 2 plus 10 12, 12 minus 12 0, so the answer is 1. Clear?